Check in the text below this video and also in the comments section. I'll provide a link for either this exact product or something similar. It helps me out if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. I bought this a long time ago and have been dreading putting it up because I anticipated problems. But it's supposed to be a PowerMassage. This is model 88446 in brushed nickel by Oxygenics. It's supposed to be amplifying technology with oxygen-infused water. Okay, that just means it's going to like, spray water and air together. Never clog warranty. Installs in minutes. We'll see about that. Easy spray selector. Supposed to be powerful and pampering. Supposed to be high pressure shower. Blah, blah, blah. You're conserving water, so we'll see how that works. We have 5 unique experiences, from a skin revitalizing oxygen spray to high performance rinse. I like these because I'm short, and to really rinse my hair and my scalp, I have to take this thing down and just, otherwise I'd never get the shampoo and stuff out of my hair. Never. It also makes it a lot easier to clean the tub because you can take this down and rinse the tub, because I rinse my tub and my shower curtain off every single time. So yeah, that's in Spanish, so I can't read that. 4 easy steps. Remove old shower head. Wrap plumber's tape around the existing pipe. Screw on handheld holder and attach hose. Attach hose to shower and place in holder. Alrighty then. It has a QR code so you can see much more about it. I guess you can do that in the store because I don't care. And if you need some help, there's the helplines and websites. Things I do like about it, it was easy to install. And this fits the holder very well. It's easy to get in and out, and it's very lightweight. So those are good features. Features I don't like is when it's on the just regular shower thing. You don't have any water coming from here. It's only from this outer circle in here. So it just feels like you don't have enough water coming on your body to really cleanse you. It takes a long time. So yeah, it's going to save water coming through here per minute, but then you're going to have to use it more minutes to get the soap rinse off of your body. So it really doesn't save water to the consumer. It saves water coming through per minute, but that's not really how we use a shower massage. We use a shower head to get the soap off of our bodies and the shampoo and conditioner out of our hair. Then on this two, I don't even see the purpose for these two when those two massage things come on. And then this is what I used when I'm trying to rinse my scalp, and it's very weak. Let's see if I can show you. So I'm trying not to get my camera wet, but you can see how the water comes out just on the outer edges of the circle when it's on massage. Then I don't know why you would ever use that. And then that is supposed to, that's the strongest one, and it's not as powerful as the ones I've had before to try to get the shampoo and the conditioner off of my hair. And then don't know what the purpose of that would be, but I'm not really happy with it. I really can't recommend it. I'm probably going to take this one down. You see like there's a whole gap there. So if you're holding it on your body, you're only going to have water coming up. It's just not powerful enough. So I'm probably going to take this one down and put it in the other bathroom and search for another one for in here. It just takes too long to use. I've been using this shower head for well over a week. I just don't like it. You can see this whole gap right here where there's no water coming out. And then on the inside, there's like no water in the center. So when I shower, it just really makes my skin feel gross. It never really feels like it's washing all of the shampoo or the soap or the conditioner off, and leaves my skin just feeling gross and sticky. I don't know of any other way to explain it. It's highly irritating. I'm going to take it down and replace it with something else. Don't like it. Mr. Hutchison likes to see me whip out this knife, so. And I don't like the ones that are super, super big. Because it's kind of pointless because I'm a small person. I need water going on my body, not like all around me. Flexible hose. And hand tighten only. Here's my 3 pieces. Here's the instructions. Warranty. Oh, now when you get to the inside, it has 6 steps. Tricky. And they have them in Spanish. I don't want you taking it back to the store because then the store won't carry them anymore, right? Alright, let's see. Bet there's an easier way to do this, right? And y'all all tell me in the comments. I finally got all the tape off by using this brush and coming down like this, and look at this nasty inside of here. Ugh. So gross. So I gotta cut the water on and run it for like 5 to 10 minutes without anything on there. But look at that. That's so nasty in there. That's pathetic. I want to run something up in there and try to clean that out. I think I will. Gross. Ugh. Not too keen about my water coming through that pot. So the plumber's tape is down at the bottom of the cellophane. The instructions say to wrap the plumber's tape clockwise 3 or 4 turns around the threaded end of the shower arm.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. I don't know if you're supposed to stretch it or just do that.
Step 4, in clockwise direction, screw the handheld holder into the tape portion of the shower arm. Hand tighten only. It reminds you to hand tighten only. Alright. Step 5, attach end of the hose to handheld holder and hand tighten. It has a label that says the washers are pre-installed and hose end. It has that on both ends. You can see the washers down in there, and they look exactly the same. Whoops, that's not supposed to happen. It's trying it the wrong way, I guess. 6, attach end of hose to the base of the handheld and hand tighten. Insert your new handheld shower and holder. Alright. The moment of truth. Is water going to go everywhere? I hope not. Will you look at that? I'm a genius! See these water flows. That's a telemarketer calling me. Nobody who loves me knows and calls me. Alright. This is what I like. Just take a shower under. I don't care for that. I need that to rinse my hair, clean my scalp. I don't know what that's for. That's what I'm looking for. See how easy it is to rinse down the tub with these? You wash the tub. You've got pets, small children. These are lifesavers. Lifesavers, I'll tell you. And I don't see any leaks. I am thrilled to death. Yes. That's what we want. That's what we like. Even with me stopping to film, it only took about 30 minutes to get the whole thing installed, so I'm pretty happy. I've never done one of these before, so very happy. If you have time before you go, watch another video, and please leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, share this video if appropriate, and thanks for watching.